Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use water sketch pens. These versatile tools combine the precision of a pen with the fluidity of watercolors. First, familiarize yourself with your pen's parts, especially the brush tip and the water reservoir. Next, carefully fill the barrel with clean water, leaving a small air gap to prevent leaks. Finally, select a suitable paper, like watercolor paper, which can handle the moisture without buckling. Now, let's explore some core techniques. You can apply color directly to your paper using a water-soluble medium, then use your water pen to gently spread and blend the pigment. Another method is to pick up color directly from a palette or even another pen's tip with your wet brush. Remember to allow each layer of color to dry before adding new ones to achieve clean, vibrant effects. The magic of water sketch pens truly shines when you introduce water. You can control the water flow by gently squeezing the barrel, allowing more water to reach the brush tip for bolder washes. To create beautiful gradients, apply more water to one side of your colored area, letting the pigment naturally diffuse. For softer edges, try pre-wetting your paper before applying any color. To keep your water sketch pens in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Clean your brush tip frequently by gently squeezing clean water through it onto a paper towel until it runs clear. Store your pens horizontally to ensure even distribution of water and prevent leaks. Most importantly, have fun experimenting with various water-soluble mediums to discover a wide range of artistic possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.